she does it, she's the tail. Let's go down this way, puppy. Come on. Gorgeous.
Are you so cute? Go on then. We've decided to come on a little mental health walk today. It's 3 years since my nan died today. And I'm feeling a kind of way about it, so I didn't want to sort of be in the house all day. So we decided to come to Grizedale Forest and come for a bit of a mental health walk. So
Holly, not grass.
we go, puppy. Molly, what's that? I don't know, but I'm going to sniff it.
Oh, look at you, cool doggy. Wow,
What are you doing?
Doggy of the world. Doggy of the world. Oh, hang on, there's a tree there that I'm caught on. No, puppy, don't go that way.
Oh! Whoops!
Hang on. No, don't pull. Back off. Hang on, I've got an idea. Oh, shite. That made it infinitely worse. It's really slippy, this banking, by the way.
It looks it.
No. There we go. Thanks, you nightmare. I'd have let you off the lead if you weren't going to run away.
Do you need help?
What?
Do you need help?
No, I'm good.
Oh.
Pack off.
Pack up.
Hey, anyone on me joggers?
Nice. I was hoping to zoom into a massive stain then, but no. Also, look at how cool that sheep sculpture is.
Don't eat grass.
Hello, Poopa. Happy girl. Go on then.
Happy face. Ready, let's go!
Hi, Poop.
What was that called?
Is that cold?
I'm sure that's where a fox is burrowed under. It looks like it, doesn't it?
It does.
She picked up the scent of the camera. Oh, every time you put the camera on when she does it, she's... There we go.
There you go. Roly-polies.
There we go. Right then.
Ready?
Let's go.
Come on then. Come on then.
I knew she was going to go up there. I just knew it.
She loves going off trail.
I know. Just like your dad.
Where you going?
Why should we go up there? What's down here? Come on.
Stand off.
This way. Hey, you actually come in. Come on, let's go.
Come on then.
Not around, but... Come on, you're going to...
Every time.
This way.
Come on.
This way.
Come on, up. This way. This way.
She's like, what way is this way?
This way.
No, not that way. She's like, you just told me to go up here.
This way. This way.
Oh, is this because you want... Right, okay. Molly, ready? Ready. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Disappeared.
What is it? Watch yourself. Watch yourself.
I've shed my layers for I am quite warm if you can't see. We are following the white trail. That one. Because the dog, she's quite old and she's not really done lots of hiking before, but she's getting on better than I am, so.
I know, I just wanted to go up there, she could smell something.
Oh yeah, of course.
She was like diving in a bush after it.
But yeah, we've done this trail before. We've done part of this. We've not done this exact trail before. We've sort of been here before. Yeah, ice. Lots of ice. We've been here before, but that was in May 2024. So quite a while ago. What?
We've hiked these trails before. I said we've hiked these trails before.
So yeah, we came here in 2024 with our friend before we had the dog. It's very icy.
Go over here.
Look at how icy that is. Okay. I don't get on with ice or mud, which is why hiking in the wintertime is perfect for me. I'm concentrating. This is
that is
slippy.
wow, that is bad. That's a leg breaker. You okay?
Yeah, I'm just thinking. Concentrating. Okay. We used to go out a lot in 2024 hiking. We kind of fell off hiking a little bit for a while between like work and other commitments, and we kind of like stopped. But this year we said we wanted to do a few more, so far this year we've done 2, which I'll put a little photo in the one we did before. That one was very windy. It was a very high one, but we did it. I say very high. It wasn't the highest I've ever been. We went up Codder Snowman last year, and that was quite high, especially for me. Mike was just like, oh, running up it, but not me. Obviously. Also, we'll insert a little photo of us actually doing that, because just to prove.
But we look way different.
Oh god, yeah, we look way different. My hair was shorter, so my hair's quite long now.
Mine was definitely
His was a lot shorter. My glasses are steaming up. But yeah, we said that we wanted to do more hikes this year, at least 10, which doesn't seem like a lot. Ice again.
Jump over that side.
I'll refrain from jumping and we'll just tentatively step.
Someone's definitely gone on their arse there and cracked it.
Definitely. Oh my god. Wait a minute, you're going to have to see this.
How thick that is.
That's a bit of ice that you got off the floor.
Hang on a minute.
What?
It's that thick it just doesn't even. Molly, you're going to slip on your arse there, buddy.
We said we wanted to do more hikes this year because not only is it good for fitness, it's good for mental health. And my mental health is severely lacking at the minute. So that was part of the reason. And obviously I said why we wanted to come out today specifically. Yeah. So let's get to the rest of the hike. We've been out for 69 minutes so far. Although a lot of that was sort of down in the car park.
We've actually only been on the trail for 46.
Yeah. So, right. Let's carry on. Survived the super mega ice. That ice, by the way, is so thick. It's like that thick. Poopy! She's so cute.
Yeah.
Love you, Poopy.
Go on then.
I'm coming.
Go on.
I'm coming. Hello.
Oh, no.
No.
She's just like, hurry up.
Literally. It's less icy here, which is nice. Boots. 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 Just the just the poo bag swinging from the bag. Just wanted to add a little bit of context, obviously, because I obviously mentioned that my nan passed away, and a lot of people will probably be like, "Oh, it's just your nan." That's, you know, it's not like you lost a parent, and I have had that. I have had people say that, but my nan was like my parent. My mum passed away when I was 4 months old, so my nan took over, and so she was like my parent. So obviously losing my nan was like losing a parent, and with the fact that we lived together, there was a lot of things that came with that, and I actually couldn't stay in the house once, you know, all of that had happened, so it came with a lot. And, you know, I don't really necessarily want to say a lot or too much online, but that's just like the very basics of it. And it wasn't just all, like, it's not, obviously every grief is grief and it is a journey on its own. I know a lot of people do just sort of say things like, oh, well, it's not like it was a parent, but it kind of was. So, yeah. Absolute ice rink. I don't know how we've avoided falling over, but it's an absolute ice rink.
You gotta put Molly on top of it.
You can try.
Molly, come here. Let's get a cool picture. Mom, what's this? Up here. Up here. Come on. Come on. Ready? Ready? Oh, ready. Oh, sorry, I put poo on your head. Oh, on top of the world. On top of the world. Nice view, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, yo. Gorgeous puppy. Is Daddy very silly? I remember seeing that last time.
That's really weird.
Molly spotted it as well.
Investigate.
Wait, you tangled around the...
Investigate.
I know you can pause it, but you can't have it. Actually, did we walk past this last time?
I can't remember. Looks like you can climb to the top of it.
What?
It looks like you can climb to the top of it.
That's strange.
What do we pop?
Obviously, we did the green trail last night. It's part of the green trail, isn't it? I just don't know how we didn't stop it.
I don't know.
It's also been here a long time. Wait. Oh,
There she is. Hi, Puppa. She's not bothered. It iced over again down there, but yeah, we managed to get past it. But look at that. Look at the state of that. Danger. It's just like, come on, you're holding me up. She's funny. Absolutely, look at the state. Doggy's going ice skating.
Doesn't care about.
Yeah. Let's go and have a little look, see how frozen over it is.
I'm going to say very.
Very. Probably. We're pushing towards. We're pushing towards like 3:30 now, so we're kind of. We're losing some sunlight, which isn't ideal because we don't have any torches with us. But we've not got that long left anyway because it was a shorter trail. Oh, let's have a look. But yeah, just wanted to get out of the house and sort of get out of my head a bit. And obviously it's nice to sometimes speak through things, because one thing about, one sec, my hair is a mess, I'm a mess. One thing I've found about grief is that it just looks different in everyone, and it looks different from day to day and like different from year to year as well. So even though it's been 3 years since my nan died, I'm only just sort of registering it as like, no, this is an actual thing that happened, and like I have to live the rest of my life now like without her. And yeah, like actually finally starting to genuinely register that. And like obviously certain things happen, like I graduated and I met Mike, and obviously we've got our dog and things, and with all of those things happening, and I always wanted to just speak to her about it, and I can't, and that's really hard. And like the more and more that those are happening, the more and more I want to talk to her about it, the more and more I can't. So yeah, but grief is on your own timeline, and don't let anyone make you feel bad for grieving how you want to grieve, because it just is. It just is on your own timeline, and you literally cannot change that, and you can't rush it either, because trying to rush it is just never going to work. But yeah, let me show you this Grizedale tarn. Oh my god, ice baby. Whoa. Oh, look at you. Whoa. We had to take your jacket off, didn't we, before, because you were actually too warm. Just going to tuck my wrist strap in. Whoa. That's icy, isn't it, Pop? That is mental. Look at that, it's all iced over. I wonder how the birds are getting their food.
That worm that I saw earlier was just frozen in the ice.
I know, I couldn't believe that.
And the dog's just like...
Stick. Whoa. We had to put the lights on the doggy because it was getting dark.
Special effects, hang on. Point at the dog. Special effects.
Just about see that.
No, that one didn't work.
No.
That's probably really grim as well because it's spitting everything there.
Brilliant. We are right at the end of the walk now. I can't remember how long we've done, like 8 kilometres I guess, from the car to the, where's it called? To the visitor centre, then all around the trail and then back.
The white trail.
The white trail we did. I think I mentioned that earlier. Yeah, it's been really nice to just get out. We're literally losing daylight now, so it's quite dark now, as you can see, because we only went out quite late.
I slept in.
What?
I slept in.
Because Mike slept in. I say quite late, it was literally midday or whatever, but, you know. So, just get back home, settle in for the night, watch some telly, and chill out. But yeah, it's been quite a nice little walk actually. Wouldn't mind coming here more often because it is quite nice, and we didn't actually see, we saw like a maximum of like 3 people, like 3 sets of people, so wasn't too bad. Very cold. And I think it's starting to rain a little bit. So let's get back to the car before it starts getting any heavier. And yeah. Right then, back in the car and ready to head back. I'm absolutely knackered. Here is what we've done, obviously, from my watch. And
Watch.
yeah,